Regarding the XPOWER sort of vibration over 6B.
Yeah, yeah.
Okie dokie, yep, so I'm literally looking at the bulletin that MG sent out to us. The affected models were all made before October 2023, so any of the new models been produced that aren't affected by this anymore. And what it was a damper on the steering.
No, it's not just the damper. The bulletin that...
It is.
No. Now, the bulletin that you've got is different to the bulletin that SIAC released.
I don't think it is.
Yes, it is, yeah. I can send you if you like.
No, that's okay, because I'm on the MG system, and this is the only one they've got for XPOWER vibration.
Right, well...
And it's this bulletin.
The actual one that should be implemented, and the repair that works, is a two-stage thing. You know as well as I do that the damper is just to cover the vibration. It's not actually fixing the underlying problem. The underlying problem is the drive shafts either not angled correctly or not balanced properly. So the stage two, I've got the bulletin which includes both stages. I believe that they've changed the bulletin now to just the damper you mentioned. But
yeah, I was about to say, from my experience, I've done about 6 of these, and I haven't had any issues after doing them.
It is masking the problem. But the bulletin that I've got from SIAC, the stage 2 repair is front cross member, 2 motor mounts, and rear subframe. That's the repair, basically.
Yeah, I mean, according to the bulletin, it only affects the models built before October 23. So realistically, the idea is they'll have rectified this at the factory.
Yeah.
Obviously, I can only go off what MG provide us.
Yeah, you can only go on what... I understand all this. I've been through it all.
It doesn't sound like the XPOWER is the right car for you. And I mean, if you've been through it all before...
Have you experienced the noise and the vibration at 70?
Yeah, I've felt it. I've been out with customers on ones that it's related to. And like I say, we've done this, and then they haven't had any issues since.
Yeah, but it's only masking the problem for the customer. The bulletin details that source of the vibration is not the steering, it's the drive shaft. So the only thing that is doing is stopping a customer who doesn't have any knowledge on the subject. It's stopping the steering wheel vibrate. That's all that's doing. It's not tackling the underlying problem. And I have proof that 3 vehicles have been repaired under warranty. Not in the UK, because UK are refusing to do it. But I've got photographic evidence of the parts that have been taken off, which are on the bulletin that I mentioned. And, an explanation from the customer that his car has actually been repaired. So what MG UK are telling you is not the actual truth, and that behind this, and that's why I need verification on it, because you're not being told the truth, and this if that were to be the case, then you'll never get verification, will you? Well, no, I can't get it, but I'm trying to get it from an actual dealer, but because you're not...
But we're franchise dealerships, we don't work for MG UK.
No,
we're only basing it off the information that's given to us and the bulletins that are raised with us.
Exactly.
I mean, like I say, from our personal experience, we've done about 6 or 7 of these and never had an issue since. I get what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, that you're saying it's masking the problem, and that may be the case.
Yeah.
But all I can go off is the bulletin, and that's all we're told to do. Yeah, I think you'll probably find, though, all they'll have done is fit this damper. So this is what I mean by...
Yeah, an MG says...
Maybe in the nicest way, this vehicle might not be for you based off the fact that I don't... If you're saying it's never been done in the UK, you've only ever found sort of cases of it being completed, I imagine, in Europe?
Yeah, France, yeah. Three cases.
Yeah.
3 cases have been repaired under warranty, forcefully, because the French don't put up with any they're more forceful. Let me just put it that way. And they've had this stage 2 repair done under warranty. The reason why there's all this carry on is because the repair costs 10 grand and they don't want to do it. So even as you as dealers are not being told straight about this issue. I don't believe, that the dealer. I don't believe that these are the problems being sorted. They're saying, MG is saying that the problem's sorted because of this steering damper, and that's not true. That's not true.